Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys 7 tips to reduce bloating quickly. So let's get started. Now, most people experience bloating at some point, and this is very uncomfortable. Your stomach is going to feel tight, it's going to feel extended. It's commonly due to the buildup of intestinal gas. However, at times it can be the result of water retention. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys 7 simple tips to quickly alleviate bloating. So the first thing you're going to want to do, it's going to sound very simple, but step number 1 is you want to go for a walk. Physical activity is going to be really big to help loosen and help break up some of the interstitial intestinal gases that are caught up in your intestines. It's going to allow the release of those excess gases by invoking physical movement in the body, and it's also going to help your bowels move as well. So if you are feeling constipated, if you are feeling extremely gassy, a walk around the block is probably going to be one of the fastest things that you can do to provide immediate relief. Now, believe it or not, number 2 is yoga poses, and yoga poses are actually known to help. They're going to cause some flatulence. Now, if you're in a yoga class, this can be quite embarrassing, but if you're by yourself, it can actually provide some much needed relief. 2 specific yoga poses I highly recommend. Number 1 is child's pose. It's really going to help get some of that gas released from your intestines, as well as happy baby pose. So these are 2 of my all-time favorite yoga poses, and you can also look up yoga poses for flatulence online if you want to get some more in-depth tips, but these are the 2 things that I would recommend when it comes to immediate bloating relief. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to supplement with peppermint capsules. Specifically, peppermint is known to relax your intestinal muscles, unlike any other type of thing out there. So the thing is, you want to follow the instructions on the packet. Yes, peppermint tea can help, but peppermint oils and peppermint capsules are going to be the fastest way to relieve the intestines, get them to stop being so cramped up, and help the gas escape from your organs naturally. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do, number 4, is you're going to want to try some gas relief capsules. The key ingredient in these gas relief capsules is actually based off of simethicone. Simethicone is actually a surfactant between a gas and air interface. And simethicone is actually it's a silicone-based thing that actually helps to pop the air bubbles due to the molecular shape, which actually makes it quite sharp and causing the gap between the air and liquid interface to burst. So that is a good thing. It's going to help quickly alleviate and move the excess air out of your organs and intestines, and it's going to provide immediate relief. So gas relief capsules that are simethicone based. Now, the next thing you may want to try is considering an abdominal massage. Now, if you're going to get this professionally done, this can provide a lot of relief. And the thing is, you want to rub in a circular motion with a light pressure pointing upwards towards the right side of the rib cage. Now, you want to be careful. You want to move slowly. This should not provide any pain. This should provide 0 pain, but actually rubbing your stomach can help cause a lot of relief of this. Item number 6 is you may want to consider supplementing with essential oils. Now, essential oils, I am a huge fan of them. They may not come across as science-based, but there is a lot of benefit to them in my professional opinion. And specifically, people with severe to moderate IBS have benefited drastically from essential oils, specifically a combination of fennel and curcumin essential oils. So that's going to provide a lot of benefits and relief. Now, the thing is, make sure that if you are on any medications, you do consult with a doctor first, because you don't want to have any interactions with essential oils. So just because they are available over the counter, do not assume that there may not be any interactive effects. Last but not least, item number 7 is you want to take a warm soaking bath if possible. I highly recommend doing so with the My Soul CBD bath bombs. This is going to really help relax any tension in your intestines and organs and cause that to give you immediate relief. So now, please note that if you do have a longer term situation, and if you are bloated chronically, you may just be overweight and you need to focus on your fat loss. Number two, you may have something like IBS, or you may need to be on an elimination diet to eliminate certain foods out of your diet, which I discuss in other videos. But this video is about 7 immediate things that you can do to help alleviate bloat quickly. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below which ones you have tried. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.